Hey guys, how's it going? How to report suspicious profiles on Match. Log into your Match account. Navigate to the suspicious profile and click on the three dots or the options menu, usually near the profile picture. Select the report profile or a similar option and provide details about why you find this profile or why you find that profile suspicious. Submit the report and make sure to follow any additional prompts as needed, and make sure to stay safe. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.